non-political institutions has been formed and has been meeting at SCK St. Philip's to find ways in which we can ensure accountable leadership in Kisii County with regards to the forthcoming general elections. Focusing on the position of governors, the consortium is planning a debate for the gubernatorial aspirants on the 7th July 2022 at the Kisii University. This debate provides an opportunity for all aspirants to sell their manifesto and interact with the general public on issues of major concern in Kisii County, which have remained unattended to over the years. This consortium is leveraging on the goodwill of the common wananchi and all stakeholders within Kisii County and beyond. We are calling upon all members of the Kisii community, including members of the media, corporate institutions and non-governmental organizations, to kindly embrace this noble cause and support it to enable us meet the budget involved. This can be done through our pay bill number 7381030. The account name is Debate. And lastly, we call upon the aspirants to welcome this noble idea, set aside this date and time for this purpose. For more details and clarification, you can reach the consortium through the undersigned persons. We have the chairman, Mr. John Orina Omangi, and his contact is 074-8468-464, and the secretary, Anita Luhukire, 070-608-4440. Thank you.